Hello class, myself Jasprit Kaur and today we will discuss a new topic that is matrices. Now we will do the type of matrix. Row matrices. In row matrix, row will be 1, that is 1 into n, like A, B, C, D. So it will be 1 into 4. So this is our row matrix. Next, column matrix. Here column will be 1. So this is our column matrix. There are 4 rows. So 4 into 1. We can write 2 and 1. So here number of columns will be 2. So 1 into 2. In a similar way, in the column matrix also 2, 1. So number of rows will be 2. So 2 into 1. But column will remain 1. So in column matrix 1 row column will be there. In row matrix 1 row will be there. Next, rectangular matrix. Rectangular matrix are those in which number of rows are not equal to number of columns. So here number of rows will be m and number of columns will be n. So when these are not equal, then that type of matrix are called the rectangular matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is our rectangular matrix because here 2 rows and 3 columns are there. So 2 is not equal to 3. This is our rectangular matrix. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again 3 rows and 2 columns. So this is our rectangular matrix, where number of rows are not equal to the number of columns. Next is square matrix. Square matrix are those matrices in which number of rows are equal to number of columns. In the case of determinant, we are using square matrix. So let us consider an example. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Here 2 rows and 2 columns are there. This is our first column, second column. First row, second row. So this is a 2 cross 2 matrix. This is a square matrix. In a similar way, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This is our 3 cross 3 matrix. It is also a square matrix, where number of rows are equal to the number of columns. So under the square matrix, lots of matrices are there, like diagonal matrix. In a diagonal matrix, the non-zero elements are present on the diagonal position, like 1, 5, 9, and rest are zeros. This kind of matrix is called a diagonal matrix. And some of these elements are called the trace of. Now, if you want to find the trace of element, then some of these non-zero elements present on the diagonal are called the trace of elements. That is 1 plus 5 plus 9. This is a trace of elements. Now, this is 3 cross 3 matrix again, where the diagonal elements are the non-zero number, rest are 0. So such kind of square matrix are called the diagonal matrix. Now our next is scalar matrix. This is also coming under the square matrix type. Now scalar matrix are those matrix in which the diagonal elements are same and rest will be 0. That is, in case of diagonal matrix, the elements which are present on the diagonal position are any non-zero number, but in case of scalar matrix, the element which are present on the diagonal position are same. So this is a difference between the diagonal matrix and scalar matrix, that in case of diagonal matrix, the element present on the diagonal position are non-zero number, but it will be different from each other. But in case of scalar matrix, the number will be same which are present on the diagonal position, and the rest element will be zero. Now next is identity matrix. Identity matrix is a matrix in which the element present on the diagonal position are 1, 1, 1 and the rest element will be 0. Then such kind of matrix are coming under the identity matrix. It is also a square matrix form. Now, our next type is triangular matrix. Now triangular matrix are of two types: upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. Upper triangular matrix and lower triangular matrix. In upper triangular matrix, the upper elements in the matrix the elements which are present on the diagonal, these, and the element which are above the diagonal elements are non-zero, but the element which are present below the diagonal elements are zero. Such kind of matrix are called the upper triangular matrix. But in case of lower triangular matrix, the element which are present diagonally above are zeros and the rest are non-zero, then such kind of matrix are called the lower triangular matrix. So these are also under the type of square matrix. Now our next type is null matrix. Null matrix are those matrix in which all the elements are zero, and these kind of matrix are maybe square matrix or any order matrix. These are 3 cross 3 matrix. This is a square matrix. This is 2 cross 3 matrix. This is a rectangular order matrix. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix. This is again a square matrix. So null matrix is of any order. Now our next type is equal matrix. Equal matrix are those matrix in which order of the two matrix will be same and all the elements of one matrix will be corresponding equal to the elements of the other matrix. For example, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Here the order is 2 cross 3. In a similar manner, here is also a order is 2 cross 3, but number of elements are also same. So such kind of matrix are the equal matrix. But 1/4 this matrix is not termed as a equal matrix. These two matrices are not equal matrix because rather these their order are same, that is it is also 2 cross 3 matrix and it is also 2 cross 3 matrix. Still all the elements are not equal because rest elements are equal but 6 is not equal to 8. So equal matrix are those matrix which has same order and their corresponding element are also equal. So such kind of matrix are called the equal matrix. Now we will do some questions related to the previous topics. Construct a matrix of order 2 cross 3 where Aij is equal to 3i plus 4j. So for all I and j. So here I are the number of rows and j are the number of columns. So we want to construct a 2 cross 3 matrix. Firstly we will write the general form of 2 cross 3 matrix. That means हमें 2 rows and 3 columns required. So for the 2 rows A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. This is derived from the representation of the matrix. I is varying from 1 to m and j is varying from 1 to n by putting the various values of I and j. So if we put I is equal to 1 and j is 1, this is our first row and so first element will be 1 and corresponding this is first column, second column and third column. So j will be vary in the first row. Now in a second row, our second row will be this is our second row, so our first element will be 2 and the second because the j columns values will be changed. So first j 1, 2 and 3 by putting over here I is equal to 1, j is 1, A11 I is equal to 1, j is 2 because it is present in the second column. I is equal to 1, j is equal to 3 because it is present in the third column and first row. This is present in the second row and first column. Second row, second column, second row, third column. So our representation is A11, A12, A13, A21, A22, A23. This is our 2 cross 3 matrix. Now we will find out the values of these elements. So A11, I is 1, j is 1. I is 1, 3 into 1, j is 1, 4 into 1, so 7, 4 plus 3 is 7, so A11 will be 7. Now again I is 1, j is 2, I is 1, so 3 into 1 plus 4 into 2, so this will be 11. Now for A13, I is equal to 1, j is equal to 3. 3 into 1 plus 4 into 3. 3 plus 12, 15. Again, A21. For A21, I is equal to 2 and j is equal to 1. Putting over here, 3 into 2 plus 4 into 1, 10. So A21 is 10. Now again A22, I is 2, j is 2. 3 into 2 plus 4 into 2, 14. Now A23, I is 2, j is 3. 18. So in this way we find out the matrix of order 2 cross 3. Now in this question we had given that these two matrices are equal and we have to find the value of x, y, t and m. Now since we had given that these two matrices are equal, now according to the definition of equal matrix, that is the two matrices will be said to be equal matrix if their order will be same and second will be their corresponding element will be equal. Now we will check firstly the first condition, that it is a 2 cross 2 matrix because there are 2 rows and 2 columns, so it is a 2 cross 2 matrix. Now we will check in the right hand side. This is a 2 cross 2 matrix, so our first condition is satisfied. Now for the second condition, the corresponding element will be equal. Now since we had given that these two matrices are equal, so their corresponding element will be equal. That's why x plus y is equal to 4, x minus y is equal to 0, 2x plus t equal to 6, 2t plus m is equal to 5. After adding these two linear equations, we will get x is equal to 2. Now put the value of x in the above equation. Now x minus y is equal to 0. It is given to us. Then x is 2 and y is equal to 2. So we find the value of x is equal to 2 and y is equal to 2. In a similar way, now we had find out that x is equal to 2. So put the value of x equal to 2 in third equation. This is the equation number 1. Let the numbering all the equation firstly. So 2x plus t is equal to 6. Put the value of x in the third equation, that is 2 plus t equal to 6. This is 4 plus t is equal to 6. So t is equal to 6 minus 4, that is 2. So value of 2 is equal to t is equal to 2. So put the value of t in the fourth equation. 2 into 2 plus m is equal to 5. 4 plus m is equal to 5. So we are left with m is equal to 1. So in this way we can find all the four values by knowing that these two matrices are equal.